Welcome to my boat and my life. We start up this episode with launching the big boat. Later we're gonna see if we can fix the insail. I broke the steering cable on it the last episode. Go back and see that one first if you missed it. And subscribe if you want to see more of my channel. Hello, let's see, I have bought a new steering cable to insail. Let's see if we can fit it. The last one brake. Yes, it's the right side. This one off, we don't need it. This one from the old, put it on the new one. It fits there. It's good. Hard to see, but I attached this line, and we're gonna use it to guide the wire in, because it's go in there and it should go out here somewhere and under the boat and go in there, and it's impossible without the guideline. This one. I'm out of tape. Let's see how we can improvise. I think that will be hard without tape. I'm too lazy to get some tape, so I pulled off this pipe that protect this one, and pull the line through the pipe, and the pipe is long enough to get out on the other side. So now I think I can guide this wire through without the line. But if I fail, I have a big problem. But let's see how it goes. Let's see if you can see anything down there. Yes, it's through the first thing. Then it should go in a hole back there and under everything and up here. And let's see how we do that. I have no idea right now. I maybe can use a hose clamp. Now it's attached in there, and just have to reassemble the rest on this one. It should be up and running in no time. It's good. I attach this one to the car, and I see you at the boat ramp. It's 8:30 and I think we have some rain clouds there. Let's see if we can get Insane over to the big boat, and I have lots of things in the car. I also have to get to the big boat, and I really don't like it to do it in the rain. Let's see. Let's first see if the Insane is working. It was smoking a lot when I first started it here, and it's often do that when it gets too much fuel. Let's see if it gets better when it gets warm. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.